My name is Richard Wiles, and I'm the VP of Sales for UK and Ireland, and also part of Europe for Trilliant Networks operations here in the UK. The benefits of the partnership with PNDC for Trilliant, for me, are the ability to work on a live network of high voltage and medium voltage, which is very difficult to obtain. We're very keen to explore innovation of our wide area networks and our head-end systems on numerous devices that can be connected to the PNDC network. What's of particular importance is to prove that specific faults can be measured, identified, transmitted back, and more importantly, collated by a secure head-end system to notify that certain conditions have been met, will be instigated in the future. So for us, working with a live network that can generate faults and to prove that we can monitor, record and monitor and transmit this back is of key importance to us. Some of the main challenges at the moment in the sector is obviously COVID. We're in a COVID restraint environment. That means we cannot travel and have face-to-face meetings or discuss with customers how we can put solutions in place, and very often that they have key personnel allocated to keeping the networks running. Working with PNDC, we're able to enhance upon ideas so we can send up equipment to PNDC and have their local resources connect the devices onto the network and perform the tests for us. So this is key for us to reduce the development life cycle, prove that the products and the head-end systems and the communication networks work, that we can have scalability, and also that we can take away some of the onerous testing process from third parties, such as the network operators, but still come up with the same conclusions that the solution does actually work. So our aims with working for PNDC is to share forums and meetings with potential customers to understand firsthand what their pain points and requirements are, and to align those with the product offerings from Trilliant. So from technology that we might have at the moment, what do we need to modify that, or what do we need to add to it in the way of sensors or technology from different vendors to provide a solution? So we've been working on several projects with PNDC. We are, as Trilliant, we provide a lot of have provided communication infrastructures and software platforms for a large number, multi-millions of smart meters that have been deployed and will be deployed as part of the smart meter and implementation program in the UK. So we're very keen to work with PNDC and provided information around the low voltage network visibility projects and how the data from that can be used to provide the drive towards the net zero goals. We've also got a product that could be installed at the last mile transformer, so we can turn a non-smart transformer smart by a retrofit solution. So that's very key when we look at analysing the data coming through a transformer and looking what is going to be consumed within a residential, light commercial or industrial premises, that we can start looking at the whole closed loop system between what are the requirements and capability on the network, what can we do to start encouraging the consumers to work smarter, to change their habits, to make sure we have more of a balanced usage versus supply on the network. So the steps we're taking towards green recovery for the COVID pandemic, well, as a company, we are working remotely. We're making sure that all of our customers have the same service levels and support, and we deliver on time. But what's key about the Trilliant offering is that we can provide the communication infrastructure to allow our customers to connect to devices, to connect to their customers and their supply chain, to make sure there's more of a balanced system. That's one of the goals that we want to work with in partnership with PNDC, is to make sure that the data we produce has relevant value. And then what do we need to do to help them improve efficiencies and the overall balance towards the drive to a carbon neutral platform.